Trick Tuesday, and here's the fastest and best way to get your FG knot going. Check it out. Tuesday, we're gonna do the FG knot. The easiest way you can possibly do it without using your toes and your feet to hold down the line. It's the same exact knot, but a lot easier. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to have your fluorocarbon or monofilament leader. You're going to want about 3 to 5 inches of leader. And then you're going to want your braided line. You're going to want about 13 inches of braided line. I don't know if that's exactly 13 inches, but it looks about right. So you're going to put that on top of the leader line and pinch. What you're going to want to do is start with the long end, not the tag end, and you're going to want to loop it from the bottom over both lines. You can hold it with your mouth if you need it, and pinch. Keep that nice and tight. If you don't keep it nice and tight, it's not going to come out right. And then what you do is the same thing with this one, and come back. And you do that and over again, and you're going to want to do it 10 times on each end. Make sure you keep that nice and tight. You can let go every now and again if you need to adjust your fingers. Nice and easy. Then what you're going to want to do is, with the tag end, you're going to want to do 2 half hitch knots around the leader and the braid. Come on. And you're going to want them to be set on top of your FG knot there. Do it one more time. At this point you can let go and it's not gonna mess up. And you want to also squeeze these together. And then you're going to do it one more time, 2 more times, around just the braided line. So the first 2 were around both the braided and your leader. And then the second time it's around just the braided. Alright. And then what you're going to want to do is make sure that's nice and tight. You're going to get on both ends and you're going to pull tight. If you have to pinch it down so it doesn't come off at first, you want to pull as tight as you can. Without cutting yourself. Get your scissors. Cut your tag ends. And there you go. That's your FG knot in, I don't know, 2 minutes, and you got yourself an amazing knot that, hey, you're gonna catch a lot of fish with this knot. There you go, guys.